Hello my friends, this is SAkGUY speaking. Today I want to show you two very nice, smooth 84mm Victorinox knife. The first one here is Bantam with the main blade, the large blade, and with a combo tool. It's a 84mm knife and it's very small. For my large fingers it feels not so good because it's too small for me. It's like a woman pocket knife, I think. It's smooth scales here of a watch factory, a watchmaker from Switzerland. Very nice condition. Yes, and the other one, it's a Voyageur 84mm with the large blade. The combo tool. And scissors. Here it's an older model with a screw. It's still okay. Maybe we find something. A very good tool. Yes, and very nice scales. Not very oft used. Yes. These are my last two smooth Victorinox knife. In my last video I showed you my Cadet 2, I think. Yes, this was my series of this model of smooth scales. I hope you enjoyed. In my next video I will show you my oldest Victorinox knife. This is a Soldier model 1891. Keep on watching. I hope we see us again. Bye bye.